Notice choke lever is not moving. Watching other videos, I noticed the choke lever in my generator would not move at all. Remove the air filter and confirm the choke plate was stuck open. The choke plate is supposed to close at ignition, remain closed, and until the choke coil heats up, it should open slowly. So I tried closing the choke plate manually and the generator would start, but died. Sight window. Adjustment screw. Adjustment plate. Notice the choke linkage might be rubbing at the top or getting stuck. Unscrew to move the plate. Rotate the adjustment plate until the bimetal choke shaft is visible through the side window. This will be the correct setting for 70 degrees ambient temperature. This was the original position of the plate. This is the new position of the plate. Now the generator would start, stay on, but would surge just like this. This is generally a too lean status, meaning it needs more fuel. Behold the altitude adjust knob. The setting was already at 0 feet. The higher the altitude setting, the leaner the air-fuel mixture. And we need richer, more fuel mixture, so we need under 0. Pop out the altitude adjust knob carefully, turn generator on. It will surge. Using pliers, turn the screw counterclockwise slowly until the generator smooths out. Final result. Cheers, everyone!